Yo, what up, this Dazzleberry? So, I wanted you to know that I'm a great singer. Not only am I good at dubstep. Well, do you think I'm good? I don't know. Okay, so I was thinking I could sing Please Don't Stop the Music by, who is it? Oh, Beyonce. It's either Beyonce or Rihanna. I'm pretty sure it's Rihanna, but I'm gonna sing a parody of it, and please subscribe. Thank you. Please don't stop the music, 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 music. Please don't stop the music, music, music. It's getting late, I'm making my way over to my favorite place. Gotta get my body moving, shake the stress away. Yeah, who knew? We could be partying looking like you do. I don't know what you started, I just came here to party, and now we're rocking on the dance floor, rocking naughty. Your hands are on my waist, we're at it and chest to chest and we're face to face. I wanna take you away, let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it, like the way you do it. Keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. Thank you. Please subscribe.